Hi, hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Star Mat Tutorials. First of all, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please keep supporting my channel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos among your friends and relatives. Please keep supporting. Thank you. Today's session we are going to see problems on finding the missing number. So these are the repeated question in SSC, CGPL, UPSC and many competitive exams. So let us get into the video without any delay. See here friends, here given 8, 3, 21, 6, 5, 25, 12, 2 question mark. See here we have to apply row operations, because if you apply column operation 8 plus 6 or 8, whatever you do you won't get the last term. So you have to apply here row operation. See here, multiply these two terms friend. 8 3s are 24 minus subtract this 3 from this, you will get here 21. In the same process multiply these two, 6 5s are 30 minus subtract this term 5, here you will get here 25. In the same process multiply these two terms, here you will get 12 to the 24 minus subtract this term, here you will get here 2. 24 minus 2 is here 22. Here C is the option. This is model number 1. Coming to model number 2, here they have given in this format 3 to 31, partition of 3 to 31, 4 5 14 1 5 question mark. So if you apply operation on these below terms, you will get the upper term. See here friends, try to square the terms here. 3 square plus 2 square is equals to how much friends? 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is nothing but 4, is nothing but 9 plus 4 equals to 13. Just reverse them here, you will get here 31. Next see here, same process, 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square is 16 plus 5 square is 25. Add these two, here you will get 14. Just write them in reverse order. 14 is the answer here. In the same process apply the same operation here friends. 1 square plus 5 square. 1 square is 1. 5 square is 25. 1 plus 5 is 25. Reverse them. Answer is here 62. This is our model number 2. The question which was repeated in SSC, CGL, GD examination. See here friends, 3, 9, 27, 81, 6, 18, 54, 162, 7, 21, question mark 189. If you apply here row operation, there is no link among 3, 6, 7, 9, 18, 21. So try to apply here column operation. See here friends, 3 3s are 9 here, and again 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. Means every time you have to multiply 3. Same here friends, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54 and 54 3s are 162. Here apply the same, 7 3s are 21. 21 into 3 how much friends? 21 into 3 63. Again check your option. If you multiply 63 with 3, whether you get a 189, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. So here the answer is B. 63 here the answer. So this is the question which was repeated in UPSC. See here, 7, 15, 31, 63, 127 question mark. See here, if you multiply this 7 with 2 and add 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. Same here, multiply this 15 with 2 and add 1 friends. 15 to the 30 plus 1 is 31. Same here, 31 into 2, 62 plus 1 is how much? 63. 63 into 2, 126 plus 1 how much? 127. Same process, multiply 127 with 2. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 254 plus add 1 here, 255 is the answer. Here C is the option. Next model 5 here friends, see 11 3 260, 7 12 386, 15 6 question mark. See, try to apply the 11 3. If you multiply, whatever you do, you don't get here 260. Try to square the terms friends. 11 square plus 3 square is nothing but 121 plus 9 is how much? 130. But here you are getting 260, means multiply this with 2. 260 means square the terms and multiply the answer with 2. Same process here, 7 12 360, 7 square plus 12 square is equals to 49 plus 144. How much you get here? 9, 4 plus 9, 13, 4 4 8 plus 1 9, 193. 193 into 2 is 386. Same process, do the same here. 15 square plus 6 square. 15 square is 225 plus 36. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11. 3 plus 2, 5 plus carry 1, 6. Here 2. 261 into 2 here. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 522. Here A is the option. This is our model number 5. This is our model number 6, friends. This is somewhat tricky. See here, friends, we don't apply the operation on smallest number. We apply the operation on largest numbers, and we'll try to find out the relation with the smallest number. See here, friends, 7, 30, 19. So try to add these two numbers, friends. 30 plus 19 is how much? 49. So how do you get 49? Square root the term. Square of this term. Square of 49 is 7. Try to apply the same logic here, friends. 25 plus 6. 25 plus 11 is how much, friends? 6. 36. How do we get 36? This under root of 36 is 6. Try to apply the same logic here. 40, 24. Add them. You'll get here 64. How do we get? What is the relation? Under root of 64 is how much, friends? 8. So here the answer is C, 8. Moving on to the shortcut number 7, 7 4 19 9. In the second question, they have given question mark. Try to find out the relation, friends. 7 4s are how much, friends? 7 into 4 equals to 28. If you subtract this number from 28, how much you will get here? 19. Here the logic is correct. In the second question, they have given question mark. Now move on to the third figure. Multiply these two terms, friend. You will get here 40. Subtract this 12 from 40. How much you get? 28. So the logic is fitting here. Multiply these two terms and subtract this from this. Here same process. 9 3s are how much, friends? 27. Subtract this outside value. 27 minus 6 is here 21. In options you have 21. Where is 21? D. D is 21. I hope this video is useful for you. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos among your friends. If you want any topic videos, please share in the comment box. Stay connected to my channel. Thank you.